here with Designing Women of Orange County, and we are now painting the kitchen here in Mission Viejo, California. And I just kind of want to do a little bit of a how to use one of these nice little square edgers. Most painters will use an angled brush like this for all of the edging, but I like to call this my little cheat sheet here with doing the cutting in everything, is what we call it. So these work really great when you when you get the paint on here. By the way, you want to make sure you don't get it on these rollers, because these rollers go right up against your hard surface, which you don't want to paint. You also want to take the piece and just drag it like that, kind of up through, and just load paint right here on this top part here, being sure not to get any here. So coming over here, I'll just try to do this area right here. I'm not going to go right up to the edge right at first, just in case you've overloaded it. So in this case, it doesn't look like I've really overloaded it. So now that means I'm going to come down here. I'm going to let my rollers hit right along that edge. And it just gives you a super nice clean line. Go over it a couple of times. You'll keep pushing paint down into that edge. This is a great little cheater cutter inner, so to say. That's not really a phrase or a word at all, but anyway, it is for me. I made up a new one. So anyway, this is a really great quick way to cut in your paint. So try that out next time. Just a little square thing. You can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart, Target. And anyway, hope that helps you with maybe one of your painting jobs you've got coming up. Thanks for watching.